Hello friends, once again I am here with my new topic include and exclude functions. These are level of detail expressions in Tableau where three types of LOD expression are include, fixed and exclude functions. So in this video we are going to see in detail include function. The concept of level or detail expression is a feature in Tableau that helps you add multiple levels of granularity to your visualization. It helps your answer to questions that generally cannot be answered with visualization created using only data fields as they are originally present in the data set. There are mainly three types of LOD: include, fix and exclude. First one is include. Include expression can be used analysis of data for cities provided data for states include the dimension of a city in its calculation even if it is not present in the visualization. So there are three type of expression: include, fix and exclude. Include is for lower level of detail. Lower level of detail means if you have data of state, you have data of country, but you don't have a data of cities in your analysis, but you by using include function you can go up to the lower level of detail, up to the city level of detail in your function. So LOD expression is a syntax that simplifies and extends Tableau calculation by making it possible to address detailed queries directly. After this video, we are going to represent fix and we are going in detail with fixed, LOD and exclude. So first of all, we will see how to do this in Tableau. This is our same data set, sample superstore data set. We will use geographical dimension here. So where is the geographical dimension? You can see the change in Montana state, and by simply right click here we can go to measure, we can go to the average, then you will see the average including LOD is 1118. So friends, you can understand what is the beauty of Tableau, how simply we can calculate really average sales using LOD expression. This is the beautiful thing created by LOD. We can cross verify here. This is the same average sale. I hope you understood how to use LOD function in Tableau and what's the importance of the include function in Tableau. Okay friends, thank you. Thank you so much. Where is the geographical dimension? Geographical dimension is in state, country and city. First, what we will do, we will include map here, then we will go to the country. First of all, we will simply drag and drop country here. Then latitude, longitude of the United States of city is created here. Now we will go to the state and we will simply drag and drop state here. So these are the states here. We can go to the sales and where is the sales? We can put, if we will put this to the size, then simply right click here and increase the size of sales. Then we can easily understand which one state has which one, how much sale it is represented by. It is represented by size. Now if I want to see the detail of average detail of Montana state, this is the Montana state. First I will rename this average city, average sales per city. I will rename this average sales per city. We can have different type of addition here. We can do italic here, we can do bold here, we can do it in center. We can also have change, we can also change font size and can have different type of things. Then okay, then it is average sales per city. Now if I want to see the average sales of Montana state, what I need to do, how I will do this, we will I will go to this, I will go to measure, we will show this. Now average sales is 373. If I will go to the sample superstore data set and I see their state Montana, we have to use filter. We will do okay here. We are filtering out only Montana states. Then we can see easily how much cities we are using there. See, friends, there are four city. One, two, three, four, five. I think there are five cities. And where is the sales column? Sales are here. So if we simply do this, we find the average here. This one the average 372.623, and this is the same average generated by here 372, 373. It's a round of. So I want to tell you one thing. If I simply drag this and I see the average here, is this is the right average? No, this is not. What will be the right average? Tell me what will be the right average. The right average will be if I simply copy paste this in a new sheet and we will see this is the, if, what will be the average if this sum of this is divided by 5, because there was the 5 cities. For that what we will do, see, sum of, this is the sum. If we divide this by 5, this 117.8, but the 118 may be the, should be the average sales for every city. That one, because the total number of rows occupied by the cities was dividing by the average sale, but this is not the right average. So what we will do, for uh, right calculation of this state, we will go to the create calculated field and we will create there include LOD. So that can be wrong interpretation by Tableau or by Excel if we do directly. For calculating right average, do we will use include LOD expression. Include LOD. What we will do, we will go to include function. If we are going to include function, then we have to use city, include city, sum of sales close this one bracket here. City, sum of sales. Oh, for my self practice, I did this. Then I will first delete this. Now this calculation is valid. I did this already for my self use. Apply and OK. Include is a function which is aggregating using the specific property of the tableau. Now let me make a copy of this here, this chart here. If we simply see, this is the average sales 373. If we remove this and we put this include LOD here, put include LOD here, or make a copy of this here. We had made a copy. Now there are two charts are generated. If in second one chart we remove average of sales and we put here include LOD, we will considering again average sales. If we